How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the Loner Trails YouTube channel. Check out what I went and freaking bought the other day. I got us a new toy for the channel, finally. After months of not having anything to ride, check this old girl out. So, if you guys seen this on, or follow me on Instagram rather, you guys will know, I went and picked this thing up back on New Year's Eve, and I'm just now finally getting to ride this thing. I've been dying to ride this thing. This is an 86 Big Red 250 ES. Got a decent deal on it. She's not in the best of shape cosmetically, but the motor's pretty solid on it and she runs really good. But yeah, I figured I'd get out today and go ride this thing because I've never rode a three-wheeler. Now, you guys may have seen the blue ATC 110. That's more of a project and I've never really got to ride it, so I'm kind of considering this my first three-wheeler because this is the first one I've ever rode. Now, I'm gonna have to get some new tires for it pretty soon because the tires are dry rotted and everything. But anyway, let's go ahead and get on this thing because I've been dying to actually ride this thing. I rode it down in the woods behind the house just for a minute, but I haven't actually got to ride it yet. Now, I was told by the previous owner this has a Chinese carburetor on it, meant for a 350X, I believe is what he said. But I came out here after letting this thing sit for nearly a week and cranked it over a couple times and then put the choke on and it fired up just like that. So either way, yeah, she's not in the greatest shape cosmetically. It doesn't have the original tank, it's got a plastic tank, but I guess that's one less thing to rust. But either way, let's go take this old girl out for a little ride. I may be putting the Big Red to work here soon. We had a storm here a while back and dang, got trees down everywhere down here. It's so weird. I've always rode four-wheelers my entire life, and recently, within like 3 years ago, started riding dirt bikes. So kind of strange. A whole new machine. Good old 80s death machine here, huh? Oh yeah, the mud hole. It rained a couple days ago and I was really hoping that it was gonna be like really muddy here, but oh yeah, those little stock wheels putting in work. Now those aren't the factory tires, but either way, it's kind of fun to screw around in the mud with. Let's creep through the mud here and see what these tires do. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get her up Big Hill. Haven't seen back here in a while. This is where I used to ride the 400DX. There's really nothing here now, which there kind of never really was anything. It's just a trail. Let's go ahead and stop here. I cannot wait to take this thing out to some of these riding parks. Oh god, no brakes, I forgot. Stop. Stop running off. Don't do that. No. First thoughts. I absolutely love this thing. I mean, I do. This thing, it's different. It's different than riding a four-wheeler because, you know, getting on side hills and stuff, I mean, you will flip this thing. But I don't know, I love this thing so far. I hate it took me this long to get a three-wheeler. I forgot to say also, the lights do work on this thing. So check that out. So that's our lows, I believe. No, that's our highs and low, and then the tail lights even work. So yeah, I can't complain about this thing. I picked it up for 900 bucks. And well, I don't think it smokes, so don't look like it smokes, so I'm happy. It's been so long since I got a video. Like, I'm in such a good mood now because it's been so long since I actually got to do a video. I haven't been able to do videos because even though I bought my Suzuki Z400, I haven't been able to ride it because it's had a lot of issues. Had to get a new timing chain and all kinds of stuff put on it. Seen this old Big Red pop up on Marketplace, 900 bucks firm with the original owner's manual, and I was like, man, I'm gonna have to go pick that thing up. Picked this up on New Year's Eve. I drove about an hour and 15 minutes over the log. Yeah, see, we had another big tree fall right here. Me and my uncle came back here and well, he actually is the one who cut it up. Yeah, let me post down in the comments what kind of tires you guys think I should get. I've got a couple ideas floating around. I'm gonna go for a light mud tire. I'm not gonna snorkel this thing, but I would love to put some light mud tires on there, because I mean I am gonna take this to some riding parks. Oh boy, here we go. Keep her straight. But yeah guys, it feels absolutely amazing to be back on YouTube. It really does. And I'm gonna start bringing you guys content on the 3-wheeler here. Hopefully get the Suzuki fixed pretty soon. Yes sir, Big Red does it all, don't she? We'll see. I don't know if you guys remember all this, but this is where the mud hole used to be at my house. This is where I got the foreman stuck right there. This really doesn't fill up with mud no more. This used to fill up with mud like crazy, or with water rather, and became super muddy, but not anymore guys. It's crazy. Alright, we got another log we're gonna ride over here. We're gonna see what we can do. Oh god. Here we go. Side hill. Alright. Balancing my weight on the left side. Through the brush. Oh my god, this thing is awesome, man. Oh yeah, one funny thing about this, so I don't think that the throttle cable is quite long enough, because if I turn this thing all the way left, it gives itself throttle. Like, watch this. I'm going uphill right now. Yeah, if I turn the bars all the way to the left, it gives itself throttle. So yeah, definitely gonna have to look into that at some point, but for right now it's fine. This thing, it runs great. Gonna focus on getting the tires, and it also needs an air filter pretty bad, because right now it doesn't currently have one. But yeah, this old girl, she's gonna be right. See how fast we can get her going up through here. Fifth gear. Woo! Logs. This thing is awesome, man. I'm in love with this thing. Let's see if we can take it up this steep part of this hill. Big Red said, why hell yeah, why can't we go up that hill? This thing is awesome. Wow, I am in love with this thing. So I guess I'll go ahead and end this little video off here. My little return to YouTube video. Let me know what you guys think about the freaking Big Red. I cannot wait to start doing stuff to this thing. I just gotta get some ducks in a row first before I really start dumping money into this thing. But oh my gosh, look at that. Get out of there. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this thing. Maybe some ideas on what to do to it. And yeah, I'm so hyped on this thing. I do not know what one of the previous owners did with this hitch, but I don't understand what they were going for with that. So yeah, don't judge me on that. I want to start back uploading on Saturdays how I used to, but the problem with that is I don't always have anything to film. Like, I don't want to pump out a video every Saturday and it just be the same thing, you know. Like every Saturday, may come back here and just ride around. Unless you guys want to see that. I mean, I do enjoy riding this thing, but I don't want to get my content to get just stupidly repetitive or nothing. But yeah, leave me down in the comments some things you guys want to see done to this. Maybe some video ideas. I look through all the comments and I usually reply to all of them. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. It feels amazing being back doing YouTube and having another machine on the channel to go get into all kinds of shenanigans with. But yeah, so consider subscribing if you're new. Like I said, I'm getting back into YouTube. Just gotta get some ducks in a row and get some things fixed up. But yeah, videos are definitely coming back. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.